What's up guys, it's Ava and today I'm going to be teaching you how to upload your video edits from your computer. Over the last couple of months, I've figured out that the older your phone is, the worse the quality of your video edit is going to turn out to be. I have an iPhone 6, so every time I upload from my phone, the quality is diminished a lot and it's pretty frustrating. However, with trial and error, I have found a website that I'm able to upload my video edits from. The website that I have found is called Creator Studio. Creator Studio is a Facebook-run business platform. However, Facebook does run Instagram, so we're just going to be using the Instagram side of Creator Studio. Here, I am already set up on the page. I just typed in Creator Studio into my browser, and now I'm actually going to be switching over to the Instagram icon over here and signing into Instagram. Once you have signed in, you can see all the posts that you have made from your account. Here, I just have a story that I made about an hour ago. Here, I have some drafts of video edits that I will be posting soon. So it's pretty much like your insights just on your computer. So in order to post a video, we're going to go over to Create Post, Instagram Feed. You'll be taken over to where you're going to build your post. It's pretty much like doing it on the app, just of course on your computer. So now I'm going to scroll down to Add Content from File Upload. Fair warning, if your video isn't a square dimension, don't worry, when you post it, it will be the normal dimension that your post actually is. I'm not sure exactly why it comes up as a square, that's just how Creator Studio is run. Once your video is uploaded, it will show 100% and it will be highlighted in green. I will warn you as well that if your video gets stuck at 99.9%, you will have to log out of Creator Studio and log back in. I've learned that the hard way. Scrolling up, you can click on your post and type your caption. You can also click your location down here. Over to cover image, you can choose the image that you would like as your thumbnail. However, if you don't see what you necessarily want, you can always upload an image. I'll also just be using a random photo just for the demonstration. Here I'm clicking on just a cloud photo that I have, and as you can see, it's been highlighted as the cover image for my video. Going down to advanced settings, you can turn the comments off on your video. Going down here, you can see Tag Business Partner. I don't recommend using this because technically it will say paid partnership with. You're not doing a paid partnership, you're just uploading your video and tagging your friends or DTing a post to someone. So I suggest uploading the video first and then going in and editing the post and tagging who you want. It's a little tedious, but it's the safer way to do it. Going back to post info, make sure you have everything you like all set up. So your caption's ready, your location's set, and you can preview your video right here and make sure it's all good. Once you feel like your post is ready to be posted, you can go down to publish, or if you would like other options, you can schedule the post to be posted so you don't have to do it yourself, or you can save it as a draft. I actually have this already uploaded since I will be posting this at another time, so I'm just going to save as a draft, and you will see the progress over here. And now you can see that the video has been saved as a draft. Normally, if you did post automatically from your computer, you will be able to see on your phone that your post has been uploaded, and the quality will be 10 times better. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and if you have any comments, leave them down below. Thanks guys!